Everyone has a choice to change. It is already in our destiny for us to do things differently. Some are big, some are subtle, but at those points of days, we live differently on our own rate. Let's start from the beginning. Differentiation. Why it is important that it is implemented in our life. Seeing a mathematical equation could not justify our outcome, right? Well, it depends. Differentiation, which on math as a term d over dx. Differentiation can be applied to as related rates. Related rates problems are applied to problems where we find the rate at which one quantity is changing by relating it to other quantities whose rates are known. We do this simply with an equation available that relates for two quantities and use chain rule or implicit method to get an answer.
Now we know what does a differentiation do, but we want to see how would it do. For that, we have constructed a problem to it to see whether the difference is eligible. Imagine we have a beautiful house which sits nice on the neighborhood. You stop and notice that there is a mechanic put a wooden ladder on the wall. Next, as you keep looking onto it, the mechanic starts to push that ladder towards the wall to reach higher. Somehow, with mathematical vision, we could notice that the rate of the ladder moving towards the wall is around 8 meters per second. Next, in this situation, we wanted to know, based from the rate that the person pushing it, how much does the ladder move along the wall.
To understand better, let's simplify our graphics. We can draw it ourselves in terms that we could understand and easily refer to. Now, that's better. From the statements, we found out that the ladder is 250 cm in length and it got pushed 8 cm per second. Note that we make this movement like it is under a graph paper, so left and right, we affect x-axis that we can assume it as floor. And for the up and down, we call it as wall. Using Pythagoras theorem, a square plus with b square equals to c square. With that equation, substitute the value of c with 250. Then, we substitute the value of a and b with f and w. This way, we could then make single w in the left side. Then, we differentiate the w by dw over df, which then equal to minus f over 62,500 minus f squared. So, to find dw over dt, we have to multiply dw over df with df over dt, which then those two df will be cancelled, leaving us with only dw over dt. The value of df over dt, which are negative 8, will multiply with dw over dt and substitute our f with 60, and then we will have the final answer of 1.9778 cm per second.
As we can see, those problems could be managed by differentiation equation. This is proven that those equations aren't for only mathematics and physics problems. In fact, that it is used everywhere on our life. It acts as bare bone to understand and qualify for certain statement, not to mention as an evidence to most decision made whether in business, space exploration or even in a court law. But at some point on our life, there must be something that bring these words more logical. It works as law in mathematics that give a general understanding about an equation. For that, we have a whole future waiting for us.